What if you could ensure a safe space for your employees, customers, and visitors, and allow more people into your shop, restaurant, or place of work? We are in challenging times, so managing people is now very different and requires new ways of thinking. Our Health and Safety Accelerated program can help businesses reimagine technology so you can get back up and running quickly and safely. Our Smart Space solution is designed to maximize efficiency by managing desk space in the working area. And our mobile concierge service simplifies the check-in process and can track visitors on site. Heat detection cameras can tell if someone has a raised temperature in real time. If a fever is detected, our AI assistant, pre-trained on COVID guidance, can help manage the situation and determine whether the person is able to continue on their journey. Meanwhile, Worker Insights can constantly scan areas with cameras and wearable technology to ensure everyone is safe. It tracks the distance between individuals, crowd density, occupancy, and even ensures that all visitors are wearing face masks. Our range of products and solutions can help you to manage and limit the health and safety risks for your employees, customers, and visitors. Vodafone Business and IBM are working together to help keep everyone better informed and prepared, using a single platform that provides real-time diagnostics and support. Together, we can help you manage the return to work safely.